The Xbeauty 50 inches electric fireplace is a versatile and stylish addition to any home, offering multiple installation options and a range of customizable features. In this review, we will delve into the key aspects of this electric fireplace, exploring its flexibility in installation, lifelike flame effects, modern design, heating capabilities, and user-friendly controls. Whether you're looking to enhance the aesthetics of your living space or add a reliable heating source, this electric fireplace is a compelling choice that combines form and function seamlessly. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Multiple install methods. One of the standout features of this electric fireplace is its installation flexibility. It can be recessed or semi-recessed into a wall, making it seamlessly integrate with your room's decor. Additionally, it can be wall-mounted, making it suitable for various room layouts, especially those with 2x6 stud walls. The compact dimensions ensure that it can fit snugly in most spaces. The back frame design not only enhances the aesthetics, but also protects the glass panel during transportation, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. Number 2. Realistic flame effects. This electric fireplace boasts impressive flame effects that add a touch of authenticity to your living space. It offers a full spectrum of LED colors for the Ember bed display, including 12 flame colors, which include upgraded classic flame colors like red, orange, and blue. You can also adjust the flame speed and brightness, allowing you to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. The ultra-high intensity LED lights provide a lifelike burning effect, with flames slowly emerging from the source and dancing at the top of the fireplace, providing a mesmerizing visual experience. Number 3. Perfect modern home decor. This electric fireplace is designed with modern aesthetics in mind. Its sleek, contemporary linear design and front air outlet make it a perfect addition to your living room, entertainment center, or bedroom. It can be placed under a TV with an 8-inch gap, making it an excellent choice for enhancing your home theater setup. Beyond its decorative value, this electric fireplace serves as a practical heater with overheating protection. It can also operate without heat, allowing you to enjoy its ambience year-round. The blower heating operates quietly, less than equals 40 decibels, and offers 2 heating modes, 750 watts and 1500 watts, covering an area of up to 400 square feet. Number 4. Flexible control modes. Controlling this electric fireplace is a breeze with its remote and touchscreen interface. You can conveniently manage various functions, including the power switch, timer control, ranging from 1 to 8 hours, independent control of heating and flame, adjustable flame color and speed, and a sleep mode function for added convenience. This range of control options ensures that you can customize your fireplace experience to suit your preferences with ease. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 3.8 inches depth by 50 inches width by 18.11 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Multiple installation options for versatility. Realistic flame effects with adjustable colors and speeds. Modern and sleek design complements any room. Can be used as a heater or for decorative ambience. Quiet operation for a peaceful environment. 1 reason not to buy. Limited warranty period compared to some competitors. Conclusion. The Xbeauty 50 inches electric fireplace offers a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics for your home. Its multiple installation options, realistic flame effects, modern design, heating capabilities, and user-friendly controls make it a versatile and appealing choice for enhancing the ambience and comfort of your living space. With its 1-year warranty and high-quality construction, it's a reliable addition to any room in your home. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.